Welcome to Smart Classroom. Today we are going to learn the first lesson of Social Studies in 10th class, that is India Relief Features. This is the most important lesson in this class. It is because the concepts in this lesson will be helpful for a better understanding of the subsequent chapters or the following chapters such as Climate in India, Indian rivers and water resources, the people, etc. So, we are going to learn this lesson comprehensively based on map pointing and map reading. That's why you must have a map of India, either political or outline, while studying this lesson. Before entering into the lesson, let's have a look at this slide, shall we? This lesson consists of 4 major concepts. The first concept is the location of India. In this concept, we are going to learn where India is located on the globe. That means between which longitudes and which latitudes India lies. The second concept is Indian Standard Time. In this concept, we are going to learn Indian Standard Meridian, the time difference between IST, Indian Standard Time, and GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. The third concept is the geological background of India. In this concept, we are going to learn how India landmass was originated and how the physical features of India were formed. The fourth concept is the major physical divisions. In this concept, we are going to learn 6 major physical features or physical divisions of India. They are the Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the Thar Desert, the coastal plains, and the island groups. This is the overall view of this lesson.